Okay friends, so now we are going to learn the remainder theorem, or you can say factor theorem, right? So this factor theorem or remainder theorem, we have taken an example of cubic polynomial. You can apply it in quadratic polynomial also, you can apply this method in biquadratic polynomial also. Here one example I have taken as cubic polynomial, right? So how to factorize with this factor theorem or remainder theorem, this procedure you have to see, right? So to factorize this cubic polynomial or any of the polynomial, so you have to multiply the coefficient of the highest power of this polynomial, which is the highest power is having x cube and the coefficient of this x cube is 1 and the constant term is 20. So when you multiply this 1 into 20, you will get 20, right? Now the same method, you have to find all the factors of this 20. So this 20 can be written as 1 multiplied by 20, 2 multiplied by 10, then is it divided by 3? No. So next term will be 4 5s are 20 and not any other terms of this. It means this 20, all the factors of this 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So these all are that all the factors of 20, are what are they? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. After getting these all the factors, what we have to do in this method, you have to take the value of x as either plus or minus 1 or plus or minus 2 or plus or minus 4 or plus or minus 5 or plus or minus 10 or plus or minus 20. So is factors, you have to try that if we are taking these values of x, then find the remainder of this polynomial after taking these values. Okay, so let us start with the first term. Take x is equals to plus 1. So let x is equals to plus 1. So after taking this x is equals to plus 1, you have to find out the value of this polynomial as p1, which is equals to x cube, it means 1 cube, plus 13 into x square, which is 1 square, plus 32 into x, which is 1, plus 20. Now solve these terms. 1 cube is 1, plus 13 ones are 13, plus 32, plus 20. When you add these all, you will get 66. Is it equals to 0? Which is not equals to 0. Therefore, after taking this x is equals to plus 1, you are getting x minus 1 equals to 0. So this as 66 is the remainder. So this implies that this x minus 1 is not a factor of this cubic polynomial px, right children? So this is not a factor of this polynomial. So अभी तो ये हमने ट्राई किया, सो हमें क्या मिला कि ये x इज इक्वल्स टू 1 इस पॉलिनोमियल का कोई भी फैक्टर नहीं है, Why? Because remainder is not came 0. If remainder is not 0, so this implies that this value is not a factor of this polynomial. So अभी हम फिर से ट्राई करेंगे और दूसरी वैल्यू x की लेंगे. चलो अभी हमने x इज इक्वल्स टू प्लस 1 लिया, अब फिर हम ट्राई करेंगे x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 1 से. सो लेट अस सी, लेट अगेन ट्राई, लेट x is equals to minus 1. Now this x is equals to minus 1, this value, with this value find out the remainder of this polynomial. It means p of minus 1 you need to find out. So p of minus 1, that is x cube, it means minus 1 cube, plus 13 multiplied by x square, therefore minus 1 square, plus 32x, it means 32 multiplied by minus 1, and plus 20. अभी इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, देखते हैं what is the remainder. This is minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1, 1 13 are 13, 32 into minus 1 is minus 32, and plus 20. So this you will get minus 1 and minus 32 can be written as minus 33, and plus 13 plus 20, that can be plus 33. Now plus 33 minus 33 equals to 0. This 0 is the remainder of this polynomial when x is equals to minus 1. Therefore as you have taken x is equals to minus 1, therefore this is x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now you can say, as remainder is 0 came, so it is proved that x plus 1 is a factor of this cubic polynomial p of x. Right? चलो अभी ये डिसाइड हो गया कि x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Now let us factorize it. As you know that it is a cubic polynomial, so it should have at least 3 factor. So one of them we got it. उसमें से एक फैक्टर अभी हमको मिल गया x plus 1. So the remaining 2 factor let us find out with this polynomial. चलो, after deciding that this x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, we need to find out the other factors of this. So other factor find करने के लिए अभी हम क्या करेंगे, we can divide this polynomial with this first factor. Okay, so let us divide करते हैं इसको. So this is our polynomial is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 is divided by x plus 1. अभी इसको x plus 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं, and let us see what is the quotient of this polynomial. So this first term is divided by x square into x is x cube, x square into 1 is plus x square. Now subtract it, this is cancelled. 13x square minus 1x square can be written as 12x square plus 32x plus 20. These two terms also we have written over here, right? Now let us carry forward this division. इसको आगे करते हैं. So we have to bring 12x square from the x, so multiply 12 into x. 12x into x is equals to 12x square. 12x plus 1 is equals to plus 12x, and subtract it. Now changing the sign, this 12x square is cancelled. 32x minus 12x is equals to 20x plus 20. Now next we have to proceed. We have to bring 20x, so multiply by 20 in this x, you will get 20x, and plus into plus is plus, 20 ones are 20. Subtract, change the sign, it is cancel, it is cancel. Therefore, remainder is 0, but the quotient is x square plus 12x plus 20. So, what we got at our polynomial was x cube plus 13x plus 32x plus 20. This is our polynomial, and its first factor was decided, which was x plus 1, and the second factor came x square plus 12x, x square plus 12x plus 20, which is the quotient of this division. चलो अभी ये डिसाइड हो गया कि इसका ये कोफिशिएंट इज, दिस इज द क्वोशेंट ऑफ दिस डिवीजन. अभी दिस क्वोशेंट इज इन द क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. इसको फैक्टराइज कर देते हैं बाय स्प्लिटिंग मिडिल टर्म, so we will get all the factors of this cubic polynomial. Right, now x plus 1, and this can be written as, this middle term is depend on this 20, see the all the factor of 20 can be written as 4 5s are 20, 5 4 is not equals to 12, so this 20 can also be written as 10 2s are 20, and 10 plus 2 is 12, so it can be written as x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. Now see x plus 1, and take the common from this is x plus 10 plus 2 from these two, x plus 2 tens are 20. So we got it, x plus 1, and the factor is x plus 10, and the next factor is x plus 2, x plus 2. So these all are the factor of our required cubic polynomial, and this method, this trial and error method, is known as remainder theorem, or you can say factor theorem. Right? So based on these examples, these theorems, you need to solve all the questions which are given there in your assignment sheet.